Constantly observing your symbol and holding this sigil hostage,
FBI, open up!
You'll never let it go up to the astral to bake and come back down as the magnificent sweet cake you created.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Other arms reach out to me. Other eyes smile.
What up, my people? DreamWise here for another one. Sigils. An easy way to impact the subconscious mind. Sigils are it. Sigils are created symbols through an intentional sentence or sentences you want to see manifest. An easy way to do a sigil is write out your intention, your affirmation, what you want to see form in this reality, and take out all of the repeating letters and vowels in the sentence. Then, after you have your remaining letters, you create your symbol with those remaining letters. These remaining letters can be formed and shaped into any powerful image you like. The key is, and the magic is entailed in what you do with the symbol afterwards. Now remember, we're trying to impact the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind knows and remembers all. The language of the subconscious mind is symbols. The language of the subconscious mind is symbols. The language of the subconscious mind is symbols. So with your symbols, what you want to do is scry into your symbol. Scrying is just staring, gazing intensely. When you scry into the symbol, you can see visions of your intentions clearly, seeing it in your mind's eye. You can do this with the symbol for as long as you like, but I would recommend at least 20 to 30 minutes of scrying. Go get the book Scrying for Beginners by Donald Tyson. Once done with your intense stare down, you want to burn or bury it. Forget about it. Forget about it to not keep it down here in particle form. If you're constantly observing your symbol and holding this sigil hostage,
FBI, open up!
You'll never let it go up to the astral to bake and come back down as the magnificent sweet cake you created. When you're constantly in creating mode or worry mode on how your intention will get to you, your mind is not going to be able to put your reality in play because you keep observing your intention. Y'all remember the time you kept worrying about how you're going to get a project done or what to do with these bills that's piling up? All of a sudden, you forget about it, concentrate on something else, and the answer or situation appears. Yeah, y'all remember how it appeared too? The moments of you on your toilet letting out that monster. Or when you're watching that same porn scene you like and all of a sudden you have a revelation. This is the magic in not keeping your intention down here in particle form. When I was heavy in my sigil work, I would do all types of tricks to forget about my intention or symbol. I'll make 3 sigils at a time with 3 different intentions and choose one to scry with. A really powerful way to forget. Or If you're so in love with your sigil, you can keep it and hide it in plain sight. There's one time I made a sigil, I put it on a t-shirt. Then I took a picture with me in that t-shirt and hung the picture up around a whole bunch of other pictures. Eventually the picture is in the background and the sigil is long and forgotten by your conscious mind. But you know what does remember? Ding, 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 ding. That's right, your subconscious mind. Forgetting is half the battle. Not worrying about manifesting is the true work in the chaos. What this is actually called is being in the now. Go get the book, The Power of Now. Don't worry about the future. That doesn't exist. When you're in your present now and see the now for what it's worth, then you're in chaos God mode. Whatever you're doing, be present in the now. And as you're present, you'll be gifted your intentions right now. Dream wise.